The Lumens DC125 is a small document camera used in a number of CQUniversity learning spaces. Most folk will use the DC125 to display a document or other object. However, it can also be used to capture an image or video or annotate an image. The DC125 is attached to a computer by a single cable, a USB cable, and has buttons to turn a lamp on or off, freeze the image being sent to the attached computer, capture an image which is saved on the attached computer, and refocus the image. You can also refocus the image using buttons on the camera head. At CQUniversity, a user guide will be available as an online resource for each learning space with a DC125. Images from the DC125 are displayed on the attached computer using an application called Ladybug. Most DC125s at CQUniversity will be attached to a Windows PC, used here. The Ladybug application can be started by double-clicking the Ladybug desktop icon or from the Ladybug program group. The Ladybug application consists of the Ladybug window, which displays the image sent from the document camera, and the Ladybug tile, which floats above other applications. The Ladybug window shows a list of captured images and videos, and enables a captured image or video to be saved as a new file, deleted, or sent as an email attachment. The directory holding saved images and videos is under Documents on your U drive, though this can be changed. Maximize the Ladybug window to see a full screen view of the image sent from the document camera. The Ladybug tile provides access to application features as more tiles. Those features are described in section 6.4 for Windows users and 6.5 for Mac users in the user guide. Features on the top row are a button to hide or display the document camera image, autofocus or auto-tune, a button to turn the lamp on or off, and a power button, which is disabled when using the DC125. Features on the second row are a zoom control, the Ladybug tile, which you can right-click for details about the application or to quit, a brightness control, and application options, language, video compression method, use the default unless you have a reason to change, audio source if you want to capture audio along with a video recording, and software mode where normal is normally best. Features on the third row are annotation tools, more on that in a moment, freeze the image sent from the document camera, camera settings, focus controls, manual focus and autofocus, and a hands-free autofocus option, which is not recommended, auto exposure, which would normally be on, auto white balance, try this option if white does not appear white, a choice between photo and text mode. Text mode may improve the readability of text, a rotation option, more on that in a moment, and an option to control the quality of recorded video. And finally a mask option to hide part of the image. Click on the mask to resize it. You can also adjust the transparency or opacity of the mask. Features on the fourth row are a button to capture an image, one to record a video, click the record button to start recording, the camera is prepared, you are then recording. Click the black square to stop recording. a time-lapse option to capture a sequence of images with a given time interval, and a spotlight option to highlight content. Annotation options are a pointer tool, which disables other tools, a laser tool to add red dots to the image, a text tool to place text on the image, a tool to draw a line, a tool to draw an ellipse, one to draw a rectangle. There is a freehand drawing tool and a freehand eraser tool, and an option to delete all annotation objects, undo and redo, and an option to delete the annotation object selected by the pointer tool. You can also set the pen color, set the line width, select the opacity of new annotation objects, and select the font family and size. Captured images include annotation objects, which may be useful. Finally, the rotate option may also be useful. Normal operation of the document camera means that lifting the camera head produces inverted images. The flip option makes it easy to capture these images correctly. This may be useful for capturing content on a whiteboard, say. We hope you enjoy using the Lumens DC125. The Lumens DC125 is a small document camera used in a number of CQUniversity learning spaces. Most folk will use the DC125 to display a document or other object. However, it can also be used to capture an image or video or annotate an image. The DC125 is attached to a computer by a single cable, a USB cable, and has buttons to turn a lamp on or off, freeze the image being sent to the attached